9 months ago, Lambo Raoul absolutely changed the history of the online prop firm space when he made over $100,000 on his $300,000 FTMO account. Today, I'm going to be interviewing a trader that absolutely demolished that record. They have made over $150,000 on a $200,000 account. Other than raw skill, one of the main benefits this trader had over Lambo Raoul is because this trader went with the funded trader instead of FTMO. The funded trader offers a way better percentage for the maximum daily and maximum total losses. The funded trader also has some other more beneficial rules than FTMO, but we'll be getting into all that in this video. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm here with one of the most successful traders ever in the prop firm history, and I'm super excited to talk to him. Let's go ahead and start off with what is your name and where are you from?
All right. Hey, Blake. My name is Art. I'm originally from Ukraine, but currently I live in Michigan. So it's nice and cold here today.
We'll get into your trading style in a little bit, but at a high level, how are you so successful with your trading accounts?
A lot of it has to do with back testing, and I'm sure there's a little bit of luck involved. There's no way around it. Luck always helps, but a lot of testing, a lot of back testing, a lot of sleepless nights will get you there.
Why do you choose the funded trader over other prop firms?
So in my opinion, the funded trader, they took a bunch of prop firms, they picked the best parts out of them, made it into their own prop firm. I love the account sizes. I mean, 400K account. I don't think anybody else has a 400K account. And you can combine it up to 600K, which is even better, right? 5 minimum days trading, that helps a lot. And especially, if you can hit your profit target and you still have a couple days left and it's a weekend, you can just trade crypto, put a small lot on it. No, I think it's because the firm itself took all the best parts and put it into a prop firm, and I think it's one of the best out there on the market right now.
And do you feel like the extra drawdown percentages, both the 6% per day and the 12% overall maximum losses, helped you in achieving such a massive gain versus the typical 5 and 10 model that we see with so many other prop firms?
Oh yeah, 100%. They're not gonna lie. There's been days where, you're at that 5%. You're like, oh crap, did I just violate a drawdown rule? Then, oh no, wait, it's 6%. All right, I'm still safe. So there's been days like that where you think about it like, oh crap, did I hit it? That is a 5%. Oh no, wait, it's 6. So yeah, that 1% this definitely helps.
Gotcha. And how long have you been trading for?
So I started trading a few years ago, but it's been on and off. But in the last year or so, I have been taking it seriously, getting deep down and seeing what exactly I was doing wrong, why I wasn't profitable before, why I wasn't successful before. So I think within the last year is where I actually, sat down, started doing research, trying to see what I was doing wrong, what can I do better to be better.
Gotcha. That's cool that you've had so much success in such a short period of time. Do you journal your trades or use any unusual techniques that don't relate directly to your trading style?
I don't. I know a lot of people journal their trades. I don't, but I do go through them every day and looking at the ones that were not successful, seeing what I did wrong, where I can adjust. But I don't journal the trades, but I do go through them every day.
Gotcha. And do you have any professional trading experience other than prop firms, or are you a prop firm only focused trader?
So when I originally started, I started trading a small account, right? But and then as I've transitioned, I figured, hey, if you can pay a little bit of money and get a big account, you can get $100,000-$200,000 account. Why not use it? The worst case scenario, you're gonna lose your initial investment, right? As if you trading your own account, you put in 20, 30,000 and you blow it, and then that's on you. So no, currently I am mostly a prop firm trader.
Yeah, I think any prop firm or practically any prop firm, as long as it's not a scam, essentially, is going to be way better than trading a normal account. But in your opinion, what really sets the fund trader apart from other prop firms, other than the things you said previously?
So, like you mentioned, the 6%, six, and that definitely helps bigger account sizes, right? If you think about it, if you have a $600,000 account, you hit 10% a month, and right there, that's your 60 grand, right? Yeah, I don't know about you, but 60 grand a month is good money, right? Even after the split, it's still good money until the tax season comes. But I think it's the account size, and that 6% drawdown helps. 5 days, minimum 5 days trading helps out a lot as well. And the newer things that were implemented, the 14 biweekly payouts after the first 30 days, those help out as well. So I think the little things, like I said, I think the funded trader took all the best things from each prop firm, put it together, and and made their own prop firm.
Gotcha. And just as a reminder to everyone, how large was your account size initially before you started trading it, and then how much did you get up to?
Okay, so my account was 200,000, and I brought it up to 350,000, and then I was happy there. I didn't want to. It was like 1 week left, so I didn't want to trade anymore on that account, and didn't want to take the chance of blowing it.
Yeah, I definitely respect that choice there. It's a good one, I think. Do you use the same strategy on your evaluation accounts as you did with your funded account?
No. So on an evaluation account, I was trading both forex and indices, but on a funded account, for the most part, I was trading NAS 100. That's where the most profit came. I mean, there were every once in a while, I see a setup on GBP, JPY, and I will take a trade, but for the most part, it was indices that got it where it got it.
What trading strategy did you mainly implement on your funded account for the NAS trades?
Gotcha. So for me, I use a very basic strategy. So I look at the trend and I trade off of support and resistance. A break of support, retest, that's how I take my entry, or the other way around. So for me, my strategy is very easy. I don't like indicators. That's not me, but keep it simple. Keep it super simple is how I like to do it.
Gotcha. And we're using the same trading strategy with forex and indices on your evaluation phase as well?
Yes. Yeah. For the most part, that's my strategy. It's been working for me. So why mess with it if it works, right?
Got it. Well, you're implementing it really, really well. That's congratulations on doing so. So just as a reminder, you used only a 200K account to make roughly $150,000 of profit, which means that you made an incredible 75% gain in a single month. So how does that all feel when you put that all into perspective?
It's unreal, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's mind blowing. I mean, it's a lot of money, right? If you think about it. I don't know. I wouldn't recommend somebody trying to, replicate that, because chances are you're gonna blow the account, right? And if I was to do it again, I'm not gonna say 100% could do it again. There are things that can come up, things that it's very hard. It's very hard to do it, but I did it. I'm happy. I got my money. I got my withdrawal. It actually came through today, so couldn't be happier.
Awesome. Yeah, I'll have a screenshot on the screen of your withdrawal for that. That's super awesome. Congratulations on that. I think that this might have even been a record in the prop firm industry. I know that FTMO had a giant payout a while ago, but I think yours might be even a little bit bigger than that. So congratulations on that.
Thanks.
Do you think you'll be able to stay consistent for 2 months to be able to make the 90% profit split, or are you looking forward to that?
So the goal for this month is to do a 10 to 20% gain. I'm not looking to replicate where I was. I think part of the reason why I wanted to keep going, because I knew there was FTMO had 100,000 payout, I believe it was to Raul. So when I got there, I still saw setups and I still had a little bit of time. So I figured, you know what, let's see what we can do with it. And then when I got to 150, I was like, I think we're good here. I think it might be one of the largest ones. Let's keep it there. So moving forward for the 90%, I mean, because it is a biweekly payout, I want to get 10 to 20% gain and just stay consistent, keep doing it month over month. We'll see where that takes us.
Gotcha. So basically you plan on using the same strategy going forward, but maybe on a less lot risk?
Correct. Yes. So that's the plan. Risking less. And for the previous month, I had a lot of trades that there were longer trades, that were runners that was adding positions on. That's I think how I got such a big return. So in this case, risking less and maybe taking profits a little bit sooner, so I don't leave them on the table.
Like most of the Fun and Trader videos on this channel, I am going to be doing a giveaway for the Fun and Trader. And for this one, I'm going to be giving away 4 different 50K accounts. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is write the word TFT, all capital letters, in the form of a sentence. Do not use a hashtag and do not just write the word TFT. It must be with a full sentence. And I'll be picking winners in 10 days after this video goes live. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm going to be announcing the winners for this particular giveaway. Now that you received your payout of $120,000 with that 80% split, what do you plan on doing with the money?
And everybody has bills, right? So obviously, some money is going to go to my kids' college fund. I'm going to leave a little bit for myself to keep growing, keep developing. Maybe try a couple more other platforms because I want to keep it. I want to keep a few accounts just so I can trade different strategies on each one of them. Don't keep all eggs in one basket. And I'm sure when the tax day comes, there's a lot of money that's going towards taxes.
Yeah, definitely. Is there anything you want to shout out before we wrap up this interview?
I know there was a lot of negative talk recently with the funded trader, and there was a lot of people saying it's a scam, blah blah blah. I can tell you, not a scam. I got my payout. I was a little bit concerned because it's a big amount of money, and you never know, right? Until you get the money, you never know. There was a lot of prop firms that went out of business, but I can tell 100%, you guys are legit. I got my money. It's keep going, guys. I failed many times, and for all those people that are listening that maybe going through some hard times right now, hitting that, being consistent, keep going, guys. Keep working on it. You'll get there.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming on to this interview. I wish you the best of success going forward. Hopefully we can eventually maybe even have a bigger payout. That'd be amazing. But overall, go ahead and keep it consistent. And thanks so much for coming on.
Awesome. Thanks, Blake. It's a pleasure. Nice meeting you, and I appreciate it, guys.
Huge shout out to Ard. Congratulations on having such a massive payout. Already received his payout. Super, super awesome. Don't forget to enter into the giveaway if you want to enter for that. Again, there's going to be 4 different 50K accounts. I'll be announcing all the winners on my Instagram. So good luck with that. One last note, the Fun and Trader has had some absolutely massive updates, including a new broker, a new website, and so many other improvements. All that will be mentioned in the upcoming video. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. While you're waiting, if you want to see another The Fun and Trader video, check one out right here. I can recommend every single one of these videos. You can see the progression of the Fun and Trader as it has so many improvements in the past.